Okay, so let's get started. Today's topic is sport. So, do you like to play sports?
Yes, sir. I like to play sports. I like to play sports such like kabaddi, cricket. I like to play sport with my friends.
It is better. However, if you had you said that I love to play sports, to be more precise, I love to play kabaddi, cricket, and more.
Yes,
So
yes,
you
sir.
can specify things. Next question: do most people in your country play sports? Do most people play sports in your country?
So in my country, the most played sports is cricket.
Cricket.
The most of the people like to play cricket.
Okay. When was the last time you played cricket?
So I don't remember. Uh,
Hmm.
so um, so I played last time in my school. There was a competition in my school. So there was the last time I played cricket.
So you can be more precise here. You can say, I don't remember exactly, but I think it was 15th January 2023. And I participated in a sport competition. It was cricket. So I played, I believe that 6 or 7 months ago, something like that. Okay, be specific. Next question: do you like extreme sports?
So I don't like extreme sports because of I have a phobia. I have a complex phobia.
You have a complex multiple phobias,
Yes, sir.
right?
I have a phobia of height and water. I even not sit into.
So it means that you have acrophobia and hydrophobia. Acrophobia for height and hydrophobia for water.